I am a member of the International Order of the Rainbow for Girls, La Hermosa Assembly Number 28. It is an all-girls organization that teaches leadership training through community service. I was initiated in December 2014. Currently, I hold the second highest position in the Philippines. I really enjoy the company of my sisters and at the same time the activities that we do. It is not every day that I have a chance to do outreach activities and help others, most especially lending help to far-flung areas in our city. I was awarded as one of the 5 outstanding Zamboangueño young leaders of 2020. Part of my passion is serving people, and I think that is one of the reasons why I love having leadership roles in the society. Back then, when I tell people about this passion, they turn to me with a hesitant face. Maybe because it sounds so ambitious. Me? A leader? Surely not. It sounds so arrogant and self-promoting to go around talking of yourself as someone wanting to be a leader. And yet, I would challenge people around me that leadership, in its most fundamental sense, is crucial to whatever we seek to do and achieve, be that on a personal micro level or macro level. If we think of leadership fundamentally as being about influence, then we can extend that across to how do we influence and lead ourselves and how do we lead and influence others. A random fact about me is that I am obsessed with the idea of the parallel universe. One of the most exciting and enticing topics to speculate about is the idea that our reality, our universe, the way it is, and the way we experience it might not be the only version of events out there. That in one of those alternate universes, the stars in the universe will conspire to let things happen the way they want to be. That the rainy days are not as lonely, and the world is not a hard place to live in. Perhaps there are other universes, perhaps even with different versions of ourselves, different histories, and alternate outcomes than our own.